This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Skeporek. Movtivated Sellers. This 3-bedroom 2-bath pool home is in a perfect location, close to everything, yet in a quiet neighborhood. Large backyard with a split floor plan. Covered pool and patio screen lanai. Home is very inviting with open floor plan, vaulted ceilings. Eat-in kitchen or dining room. Laundry room in home. Ready to start your life journey in beautiful Cape Coral. All stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops. AC new 2020 beautifully landscaped. New roof 2023, solar panels installed in 2021 in and paid for. Approx 25.00 a month for your electric bill. This is a great asset for the new homeowner. This home has all the check marks and is ready for its new family to get into a great home. This home is short distance to shopping, dining, nightlife, live music and a short drive to the Cape Coral beaches. Backed fenced for kids, pets and privacy. The best sunsets. You won't find another at this price that doesn't need any work done. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Skeporek at 239-443-3160.